buonasera, and welcome again to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight, I'm making a delicious, healthy, but gourmet meal that you can have on the table in 30 minutes or less for your family. And boy, will they be impressed. You have the help of my wonderful jarred sauce. Tonight we're featuring Lisa's vegetable primavera. My vegetable primavera is onion, celery, and carrots sauteed in extra virgin olive oil, pureed, and added to my classic red sauce for a naturally sweet, delicious sauce. Perfect on pasta, and as we see tonight, on chicken. So what I like to do is I take some beautiful chicken breasts and then I just cut them right down the center, sort of make a pocket, if you will, in the chicken breast. And I add a little, here I have my sauteed spinach. I just dry sauteed this in the pan. So you can just use frozen spinach, dry saute it, then drain all the water, add a little olive oil, salt and pepper. So I just take my fingers like this and pack some spinach in here. Then I take a slice of delicious Italian provolone cheese. If you like the sharp provolone, which is a little bitier, or the mild, according to your tastes, then we just fold over and close up the chicken breast. Now, if you feel more secure by putting a toothpick in the chicken breast to keep it closed, you can do that. Not really necessary, it's not gonna open, but if you feel better, that's fine, do that. Then I roll them just in some breadcrumbs. In this dish, you don't need the flour and the egg. We just want to add a little bit of breadcrumbs to give a golden crunchiness to the outside. And that's all. So look at that delicious chicken breast. Now what we do is I have a pan of olive oil here. We just put it down, listen to that sizzle. And this chicken breast is gonna get nice and golden and crunchy on either side. After that, I have here prepared for you, the magic of television, 2 chicken breasts already ready on a bed of my vegetable primavera sauce. And I heat this for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350. You may serve this chicken breast by itself with I pour more of the pasta primavera sauce over it, much like this, while it's baking. And you can serve this over penne pasta with the primavera sauce on it, or you can just serve them plain by themselves with a tossed salad or a nice vegetable, accompanying vegetable, whatever you'd like. But it's a delicious, gourmet, satisfying dinner that will take you 20 to 30 minutes, of course using Lisa's Italian Kitchen vegetable primavera sauce. And your family will love you for it. So, buon appetito, tutti a tavola, ciao!